and you know it the function, how it works and all. LOC is used for indexing or selecting based on name, that is by row name or by column name. It refers to name based indexing. Okay, so the syntax of LOC is like this. Just I want to show you, okay, what is the syntax of LOC, so you will have an idea. Okay, so whenever the LOC we are using, that we have to give the LOC equals to first parameter is the list of row names. Okay, like this I would like to say LOC equals to what, uh, you have to give like this, the bracket like this, and list of row names. Okay, sorry, list of row names, that will be there, and you have to have a list of column names. Fine, list of column names. Okay, this is actually the syntax for the LOC function that you are going to use. Okay, that we are going to use right now. Okay, so list of row names. So what it does, in fact, the thing is that it is used for indexing or selecting based on name, that is by row name and column name. Okay, so some programs you will see that, and in fact it sometimes it also slices, that is also there. So that demonstration also you will see once, and right now let us execute. Okay, so this is the syntax for LOC that you have seen: list of row names and list of column names. Fine, so accordingly we have to go. All right, so now the thing is that, so let us open a program. Okay, so first of all I will open this one, data frame LOC1. So now you see this program. What is the specialty of this program? That, okay, list of row names, we have kept it in a condition. Okay, and here we have given a message. So list of row names, list of column names. Okay, so when this particular things will be true, okay, sorry, when this particular thing will be satisfied, then true will be printed. Okay, and numbers greater than 4 greater than, then also it will be printed. So here you see in this particular dictionary. Okay, this is a dictionary data type. So because it is having the key and value pair, so key has been taken as a string and it has been taken as a list. Fine, so now what will you do is that, so then first set of numbers you can see, that is less than or equals to 4, and second set of numbers you are getting here 5 6 7, which is greater than 4. So these are the things that has been segregated. Here we have segregated the values. Fine, now you see that when we are executing this program, what is exactly comes out. Okay, so now this kind of program is actually very useful whenever you need to do some programs, or you need to generate the output, or you need to discuss the output, what it will come in fact. So let us see its in execution. Let us see, it will be appearing. Okay, so okay, this analyzing the program is very important out here. Okay, so this is the data frame object has been created. Import pandas and pt, without this the data frame command will not function, because data frame is a member method of this panda. All right, fine. So it is having the two segments, that is called number and as well as columns. So now the specialty of this program is, first segment is showing you less than 4 values or equals to 4 values and greater than or equals to 4 values. So meanwhile it has been appeared out here, you can see. So what is that exactly been shown? This particular column you leave it, that is for the defaults in the index for the data frame has been generated, and here you can see out here numbers equal numbers. This is the numbers, actually you can see out here the numbers column is there. Okay, and the data frame has been printed, numbers has been taken, and printf finally has been given. Here after manipulation, the data frame, all the changes has been swept into the data frame, and finally when printf has been given, that data frame has been printed in this manner. Now what is happening, greater or less than equals to 4, wherever the values are given, that is getting true. So because the true message has been served out here. All right, and whenever it is not getting greater than 4, there it is coming nan means not a number. Okay, it's the similar thing happens. Okay, after 5 it is not getting any number which is satisfying the first row, that is a less than or equals to 4. So that's why the nan has come out here. And in the second case you can see out here it has been true, has been printed, as it is getting the values, and the values have been satisfied. So that is what true has been given. And not only that, if you want to get some other message and all, you can get it. Okay, just by changing it, you can see out here. Okay, it's true. Suppose I'm giving it's true. Okay, this message I want to do. Let's see. Let's see. It's it's true. Okay. Otherwise, it will take the single quote. Fine. It's true. Suppose I want to give, and then I'm executing it now. All right, let's see now the changes out here. So only the message will change out here. You can see instead of true, it will come as it's true, and it will remain as it is. Okay, because there is has no change, will not be reflected right out there. Okay, so now but this is actually the program that we are actually wants to do it with the LOC. That is where the selection of the columns and numbers are being given. Okay, so that is the thing. So this particular program you note it down, okay, and when you do the practical, see here the it's true has appeared, okay, and it is land and it's true as I have changed out here. Okay, so that this is the reflection you can see. Okay, so after satisfaction, what is happening? The whenever the satisfaction true has appeared, and wherever here it has been appear values have been satisfied, it is coming it's true. All right, so that is the way to execute, and that is the result of execution, as you can see out here. And wherever the values have not been satisfied, in that case what happened, the nan has appeared. So this is the entire program and its output, fine, that you can see nicely. So this is the one. So this program is very very important, for your examination, as well as anywhere you go for the interview and all. If you want to do the further Python, so it is required only. So let us stage also study. If you want to, you can have this particular programs and commands. All right, so let us see one more program of this kind. Okay, so now I just open it. uh, yeah, this program, fine. So similar program, almost like almost similar program. So here what has been given, the same pattern I have given. I've taken the string values and I had tried to matches the value. Wherever it find matches, it will show you text matches, and otherwise it will be mismatches. Only what I have done, I have changed the relational operator out here. There I have used what you can see out here, less than or equals to, sorry, less than or equals to, and here I have used the equals and not equals. So wherever the values are equal, then it will given text matches, otherwise there will be a mismatch. Okay, this is a mismatch means when the values are not equal. But here I have used the same thing, but program pattern was almost same, but the thing is the relational operator differs. Here also the same thing, here it is equals and not equals has been used. Okay, so the different relational operator, how it has been used in the loc function, these programs demonstrates. Okay, there's a thing. So let me execute this program once. Let's see the output, then you will be able to have the clarity regarding LOC function. All right, so that is the thing. So let it appears. Okay, this particular command is very very useful. Okay, and the thing is that, just a minute, I will use some error. Okay, fine, just a minute. Okay, wait. It noted down this program. Okay, and if, practical implementation is very very important for this particular program. Python is having some problem. uh, let's see. So I'm opening once more. Why it has gone that of, yeah, this is the program. All right, so let me check it. So meanwhile I'm opening just one more program. We will consider its output. Okay, so I'm just opening. Let's see what is the thing. Let's see, 3. Yeah. This is also another program where the output, as you can see the previous program, that is the output. Okay, so you can see out here. Okay, we're going to that program shortly. Okay, this is the index. Okay, so what is happening, the final change is becoming in the df. Okay, that is the data frame object. Okay, then the data frame has been printed. Okay, you see out here, John mismatch, Bill matches, Maria mismatch, and the Emma also mismatch out here. Okay, that is the thing. So not equals to bill means like that, not equals to bill. Actually here not equals to bill means like that the first name not equals to bill, name match mismatch. Okay, so Maria and Emma are not equals to bill, that's why the that is true only, the mismatch has occurred out here. And wherever the text matches, it has been printed out here, that bill text matches. Fine. So that is the simple program you can see out here. So and if you can see its output, what is the output, you can see it has been generated out here. So that is the thing that you have to understand here, what actually the lock is doing, okay, with the set of values. Okay, you can try out other programs also by taking the simply in the series columns and all, similar things will happen. Okay, that is the thing. So series command you must have done only a one dimensional data structure. Okay, so this particular thing you may do. Okay, so let us come to the another program, that is the this is also like a mismatch kind of things and all. Okay, so wherever Sujay and Rashi is there, there will be a match. Otherwise, not equals Sujay, not equals Rashi, there will be a mismatch. So here we have what we have done as compared to the last program. If you go to the last program, then what is happening out here? We have used only the this what you call last program. Let us come once. You can understand. Let's see it. Sorry. This program. Okay, so here no logical operator has been used. Okay, but here what is happening out here, we are using the logical operator. Fine, the almost similar program, but here the same type is same, but here the logical difference is the logical. This is a logical or and logical and has been used. Okay, so here both the conditions must be out of the two conditions, one condition must be true, but here when using the logical and, so either of the conditions has to be true, means most all the conditions has to be true, then only the name matches message will be appeared, otherwise not. Fine. So the thing is that when Sujoy or Rashi, any one out of these the things, the name matches will come. And here, if these things happens, then only the name matches will come. Otherwise, not. But here it was like this only. So no logical operator has been used. Only the single condition and the single relational operator has been used. So now you come over here and then to the execution, and then execution part. What does it show? Let us see once. Okay, what is happening, you can see out here Ronnie and Shuja, there is a match it is finding, and Ruma is a mismatch over there. Okay, and Rashi is a match over there. Okay, clear. But with the this thing, when the Suja is not equals to Suja, and this thing Rashi is not, the name mismatches is appearing. Fine. So the thing is that Ronnie, Suja, wherever it is finding the matches, it is showing the match, and wherever it is not finding, it is showing simply the mismatch. Fine, that is the program actually been said out here. All right, that is the thing. So two programs, if I'm keeping side by side, then you can understand easily that what is actually the difference. Here in this particular program, the logical operator has been used, and we have tried to show the matches out here within the two conditions. You can put more conditions also, that is also there. Okay, first name not equals to Sujay, first name not equals to Rashi, and name match mismatch. So wherever there is a match of Sujay and Rashi, that is coming match, otherwise it is coming a mismatch. All right, that is the one. Okay, so these programs are really after means like with a view to that, with the connection of the syllabus has been made, and you must do it. Okay, practically, that is the thing. So one more program, let us come over here and see. Okay, so what is happening out here? Say you can read the things. We may apply the following if conditions, and if then store the results under the existing numbers column. If the number is equal to 0, then change the value to 999, and if the number is equal to 5, then change the value to 555. Simple, a condition has been imposed out here, and accordingly it will work. Fine. So the thing is that what it has been said, wherever the 0 has been found, you replace the value with 999, and wherever the 5 is coming, you replace the value with 555. A similar condition has been given. The row columns has been taken out here equals to 0 by using the relational operator. It is simply, it has been demonstrated this program. What the demonstration has been made? Demonstration has been made in the sense that the relational operator also can be used, also can be incorporated with the LOC function. That's what we are doing. All right. So the thing is that when we are executing this program, so I'm just running this module, then you can see out here. So it is very easy to understand. So here the original data frame has been printed by from the dictionary, and here wherever it is found 5, the 555 has been changed, and here where it is finding 00, it is finding the 999. So you can, if you want, you can take other values also. If you think simply things that I think that I will make in this way, that is also can be done. That is your things, so you can do it, and that is not an issue. Okay, that is the thing. So you can execute this program and you can see easily. So you see now the changes instead of 99 and 999, 99 has been changed out here, and here is the 50 has taken place. Fine. So that is the way. That is the way. All right. So so this particular program is very important also. Easy program, but sometimes if you don't know, you'll have trouble. Huh. So that is the thing. So this program, these four programs what I've shown you, really, I think it will help you a lot. And when you will go through this LOC function in your book, also it is given. You see different other programs are also being given, and I'm having one more program. I think. Let's see. What is there? That's similar program. That's not an issue. Acha. At last, what I'm doing that I'm taking one or two matplotlib function. You see, that is important for you. Matplotlib. Okay, matplotlib. One program is there. This is the one. I think. Yeah, this is the program. It's a very simple structure of matplotlib. So what does it do? Year wise, that is the thing. Year wise, it has been given the T1 and T2 year of percentage. Okay, has been given, and the graph to be made. Fine. So this is the thing. So you see out here, this is a very simple program by using the plot, X label, Y label, title, and show. Okay. Legend we have not used. Okay, you can use legend also. Okay, so I'm just executing this program. Then you see what is coming. Okay, T1, T2. Okay, T1, T2, two data columns are there. So accordingly, it will be made. So you see that two lines have been created out here because the plot has been given out here. So two lines, it is showing the comparative values of this one. So one is starting from what you call one is starting from 90, another is starting from 89. So this is the ticks. Actually, you can say that these are the ticks, y ticks. This is the called x ticks. Fine. So that is the thing. So yeah, it's a sharp increase, and there is coming falling down over here. Which one is starting from 89? That's coming down to 90. All right. So here you can see an alignment is there 90 like that. Okay. So this particular line graph is not only useful, is very important also. Okay. This pattern I would like to say. So whenever two values will be compared, even three values also can be given, T3 also can be given out here. So in that case, you have to plot. You have to give the plot command more. Okay. So whenever you are plotting, okay, whenever you are plotting, suppose one more series if you are adding, so you can do so. Okay, by changing his value and all, and you can do so this one. Okay, so you can enter out here. I'm changing this value, some of the values I'm changing. Okay, then you can see out here, right, T3, and say it is coming out here, say I'm giving 70, and then say 65, and then 93, then say you will see a sharp rise over here. How? Okay, then again say not 98, I'll keep it on 96. Fine. So T3 I'll just keep out here one more this thing. This time I will keep some other color of the plot, and then a PLT plot. All right, color orange. Huh? So you see the sequence actually how these things have been made. That will be there. Okay, so here you're making the changes. Okay, all right. So now I'm closing this one. Okay, and executing this program. Okay, let us see now how it is functioning. Okay, all right. Okay, now you check. Mm. So you see out here, so it has been started 70, then it has come down to 65. Okay, all right, let's see why it is 65. Okay, uh, just a minute. Here it is coming down to 65 because the scaling has been started for 65, and then from 65 there is a sharp increase 90. All right, then it is coming down again to 79. Okay, then it is again going back to 96. Very simple to interpret this kind of graphs. Okay, so you can easily understand by seeing this, and here you see it touched just out here. I think the two values are equal. Yes, here it is T2 and 93 and 93. Orange one and blue one are same. You can see out here. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so this particular program, this output is very important. Whenever you are getting the output, you just analyze it. Okay, that I must say. Clear? So that is the thing. So you have to do these programs also. So that is why it is very important. Okay. So let us come to another program. Okay, of this matplotlib function. So it will be further useful for you. Okay, matplotlib. Yeah, matplotlib too. Correct. this particular program. This is also another name, a simple program. Okay, so where the bar graph to be created with the Anil Vikas Bikram, and here by X ticks has been created. Index level, font size 15, rotation 30. Okay, rotation is not useful, but still you can use for the rotation, means like the font rotation or something like that. There it has been created. A simple graph has been created. This kind of programs are very important for your exam, for your coming exam. Okay, so be careful. All right, students. So this figure one is simple one. The Anil, Vikas, and the other students and their comparative study of their whatever percentage they have received, that has been decided out here. So you can see this is the X level, sorry, Y level, and this is the X level. Okay, and this is the title. Okay, so the Anil, Vikas, Dharma, Mayan, Manish, and Rajesh has been printed. So this is the these are the things. Okay, and that is the one. And this xtix index level, this is the index level that we have taken. And index here, it is important, np.nh length of level. Okay, so how many are there? One, two, three. The way must means like that many graphs will be created, that many bars will be created, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length has been taken, arrange. Okay, then the index has been taken out here. So whatever has been taken over there, the index has been used out here, and then level has been used, and then font size 15, rotation 30. Okay, that is the thing. So this particular graph has been created in this manner. Okay, so here the student name has gone little down. Okay, because of the font size and all. So I'm little bit, if I'm decreasing the font size. Okay, so it will have no problem. I'm just giving out just a font size. I'm giving 10 out here, and say I'm giving a little bit also this less 10, so it can be seen out here. Okay, the X is also making out here, say 9. All right, so you can see the change, how it is happening. Okay, so the modified. Okay, so now you see the change, you will be able to see. Now you can see the student name is visible since I have decreased the size. All right, that's the thing. So this is the way to do this kind of programs. Okay, so these two programs I have shown you, which is really useful for your coming exam, for coming exam. Okay, these two matplotlib type I'm saying. Okay, this kind of programs comes usually. Okay, so in the board exam also, as well as in the in your this term exam also. Okay, all right, then you implement the practicals. Thank you.